came out this way. We really don't want anybody to get injured here. We have a lot of people going home today.
All right, we've got Gary in the air now. Once again, he's flying the Raptor G4 E720. This is an incredible machine. Gary's a member of Team Catawba and Team Thunder Tiger. Flies a little lower head speed than most everybody else out here. Does what I call old school 3D. Head just switched down to 1200 RPM right now. I'm going to shut up and just kind of let you listen to this. Gary's flying this bird with a GT5 fly-barless system from Ace and the Catawba 14MZ system transmitter. You can see how smooth Gary is. Real good collective management, but he still has a ton of power, even at this very low head speed. Just kicked it up. We're at 1850 now.
Hey Steve, what's the speed on that right now? I'm sorry.
We're back down to 1200.
1200.
1200.
1200 RPM.
And still, it's got a ton of power here.
And he's still doing aerobatics. And what's the flight time with this setup?
About 16 minutes. So if you guys are wanting to get behind Gary in line, thinking he's not going to fly a very long time because it's electric, forget it.
So for you guys that think that electrics have short flight times, you're wrong.
You see he's still got great climb out power there, even at this very low head speed. He's flying the new V-Blades 695s. Coming down. All right, put your hands together for Mr. Gary Wright, ladies and gentlemen. Team Thunder Tiger, Team Catawba.